What's up, YouTube fam? How's everybody doing? Hope everybody's having a fantastic day. We decided to have Wayback Burgers. This will be our second time having it, trying them. The first time we tried it, it was really, really good. So yeah, I figured I said, hey, I'll just let y'all join in with me, eat with me today. So yeah, we got Wayback Burgers. Let's see what we got. Look at those fries. That. Bear with me, guys. So, I have my fries. And I got a double. What did I get?
A double bacon burger.
I got a double bacon cheeseburger. My husband has, I'm just going to show you him and my son. My husband has the triple, what does Daddy have?
Triple bacon.
My husband has the triple bacon, just so you guys can see it. Ooh, doesn't that look amazing? That's too much meat for you, girl. What did you get, Zach?
Kind of bacon, just no tomatoes.
Oh, okay. My son got the same thing, and I got a double. So, that's good. Hope everybody had a wonderful day today, or is having a wonderful day. It's fairly early. We just got out of church. We had a wonderful time. Oh, and they're both the same. And a Pepsi soda. And if you guys notice, I'm not a big soda drinker or juice drinker. I love water. But somebody mentioned I never touch my drink. And this is what my burger looks like. Bring you guys in. Boom. Doesn't that look good? It looks like I want some. Do y'all want some? I'm sorry. Would you guys like to have some? Here's a fry. Is it good? It's good, right? I just bit the piece you didn't bite. Would you like some of my burger? Have a bite. Was that good? I know it was. Any ketchup? So, that's my husband. He's still not ready to be in the video yet, y'all. Let's see. Oh, there you go. So handsome. Are you guys ready for Christmas? Got everything together? Are you still shopping? Some people say, we're ready, we're done. Some people say, now it's time for the last minute shoppers. If you don't have the money, you are not a last minute shopper. You shopping when you got your money. So don't let nobody make you feel bad because you got to shop now, or you might have to wait Monday. And you celebrate Christmas? Comment in the comment box below. Do you celebrate Christmas? What is something you do to celebrate Christmas? If you celebrate Christmas, if you don't, what do you do? Do you have a tradition, a stand-in tradition? Are you creating something new? Are you cooking for Christmas? If you are cooking for Christmas, what are you cooking? I would love to know. So good. I'm a fry person. I love to eat I eat my fries first, but I know you guys want to see the burger. So let's get to this. Look at that. Mm. 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 I think they put too much mustard on my sandwich. I'm a mustard fan, but not like that. I don't want it to be dominant. How's your sandwich? How's your sandwich, Papa?
Very good. So, I dropped a video today, like a little trailer of sandwiches and subs that we make. We usually like eat a sandwich one time a week, and we just create. Cause like I said, we all have different tastes. We all like different things, and so we create some really good sandwiches. And so my sandwich or my sub might be one thing, my husband's will be another, and my son's will be another. And we all like taste each other's sandwiches. And then you have your staples. So we'll be recreating some of our staples and also creating some new ones. Have any ideas? If you have a favorite sandwich, drop it in the Dropbox so we can recreate it. We can taste it and enjoy that goodness with you. Oh yeah. A sub that I love is the Pete's meat. I don't know if you ever heard of that. But it doesn't have lettuce on it, right? It doesn't have like lettuce and tomato or something like that. I think it's just mayonnaise and mustard and meat and cheese. It's really unusual. Not unusual, but it's missing some stuff. Anyways, I don't know if that's here in Chicago. It was big in Florida. In Vero Beach, where we live. And then like I don't know any good sub places around here, sandwich places, because we make our own subs and sandwiches. And like my husband isn't a fan of bready bread, like big thick pieces of bread. And my son either. And then we don't like regular onions. Like I said, I only cook with sweet onion. We can be really particular. So when you are particular, you just make your own stuff. But that peas meats is the bomb. I have to look it up. I just think it's mayonnaise and mustard and meat. Tons of meat. And like, there was one sub shop called Tubby's. He made the biggest subs I have ever seen in my life. Those subs were like, so at the time it was a family, we were a family of 4. And so we could take one sub and cut it in 4. And it would be more than enough for the boys and more than enough for me and my husband. In Tubby's, in Indian River County or Vero Beach, Florida, makes the best subs hands down. But they're going out of business now because I think he fell sick or something. And I think it had something to do with his weight. So, and he was really open about it. And, and people were kind of critical. But you know what? People can cook when they got a little weight on them. Listen, that comes through them trial and error, them figuring it out. And he made the best subs I have ever had. So, all of his family had a little weight on them. And when I tell you, you can see them making the subs, they made those subs with love. When you make food with love, that's the difference. That's the Subway. Who? What's that? Penny Hill subs? Penny who? Jimmy John who? It was Tubby's. BLT. A BLT sub. One like you never seen. Meatball sub. I mean, these was like Fred Flintstone sandwiches. And they were so good. They were so delicious. It was so wonderful. Oh. We here for the meats, right? I'm over here. Could be here. So yeah. My favorite breads to make subs on, light bread or sandwiches. What's up? But sandwiches, regular bread, light bread, I don't know what they call it. We call it light bread. Loaf of bread, I don't know. White bread, sourdough bread, potato bread. Oh yeah. They make some amazing sandwiches. Toasted. Some of my subs are hot subs, and some of them, the bread is just toasted. But everything else is cold. What's that too? Oh, y'all couldn't do it. What's that? Anyway. So I'm enjoying watching everybody's videos. Before I started doing this, only thing I ever watched on YouTube was makeup and hair videos. And at first, I really struggled because I didn't want to watch cooking videos just because I cook every day, so I don't want to watch anybody cooking. And I really wanted to watch my beauty channel. But now it's like, I forget I'm subscribed to them. They don't even come up in my feed anymore. Everybody else does, all the cooking channels. I just be seeing stuff. I'm like, ooh, I want to try that. Ooh, that looks good. I never thought about that. You know, I'm enjoying everybody. And I think it's Mukbang Terminator. He be killing those dishes. The dinners he be cooking. Oh my goodness. So why do you love to cook? Do you cook? If you cook, do you love to cook? And if you love to cook, why do you love to cook? And if you mukbang, why do you mukbang? Is it because it's trending, or is it because it's something that you really did, or you know? Why do I do the mukbangs I do? I figure, well, we always eat. We eat dinner every day. So might as well bring you in. So and then some of the stuff I see trending, I'm like, oh yeah, I used to like that. Let's try that. It's good. Y'all. That hurt. Oh yeah. Coming to the end. Do you guys got any? Sorry. You guys have any Christmas Eve tradition? We love to go around and look at lights, but I might do that tonight and tomorrow night. Yeah. When you got church, been in church, you been hungry. All right. Mhm. I ain't gone. I'm done for today. How you doing? It was good having you guys over. Food was good. I'm done. I think I'm a little over full. So I'm about to join my family on the couch and do some binge watching. And then see what we can get into tonight. I love you guys. I appreciate you. I want to say hey to all my new subscribers. What's up? Thank you for joining my family. I hope you enjoy the content. As I grow, I will get better. And like I say, pray for you, girl, because I be struggling over here with this editing and stuff and trying to figure out this stuff. Excuse me. Pray for you, girl. I appreciate everybody. God bless you and see you next time. Peace. Oh, before I forget, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And share this video with everybody. Share it with your mama, your sister, your brother, your cousin, your auntie, and even your enemies. Share.